Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. And today in this session we will understand advantage of the multimodal transport. Okay, so we already discussed what is the multimodal transport. Multimodal transport is like a transport in which include a different type of transport mode. For example, you have to export some goods from UP. Okay, so first these goods need to deliver to the airport. Okay, or in case of sea need to deliver at the ICT for the custom clearance purpose. So from factory to ICD or airport, you need to arrange the transportation, which is called the road transport. This transport, okay. After this process, custom clearance process has been done. Then these goods move through the India to other countries. So this ship used, okay, airline used. So this kind of transportation can be used. Then in the same destination, the port of discharge shipment will unloaded from the airline, then again the by road this cargo need to deliver at the destination. Okay, so this there are the two type of transport used here. So this is called the multimodal. If you talk about the sea transport, then multimodal transport work in this way. First, from factory to ICD, you need to deliver the goods by containers. Okay, so we need to raise the truck which can carry the containers. Okay, then after examinations this cargo will hand over to the railway to move from ICD to seaport. So this kind of transport may be used here. Then again this container will unloaded at the seaport. Okay, then it will loaded in the ship. Okay, then ship will deliver this container to the destinations. Then again same process, port of discharge to the factory. The by road transport may be used. Okay, so these are the multimodal transport we have understand with example. Now what are the advantage of this kind of transport? Okay, so first advantage is loss of time and risk loss. Okay, pilferage and the damaged cargo incidental to the conventional segment transport are we eliminate. Okay, so advantage is like loss of time and risk, like you just hand out to cargo to the agent and they will deliver the cargo, so there is no need to waste the time. There is no risk of the damaging all this, because that the service provider will take the responsibility of the moving goods from your factory to destination. Okay, so all the uh, risk and all the thing will transfer to the transport company or agent. Okay, point number two, the movement of cargo is faster. Okay, so in this process we can say multimodal transport, the movement of cargo is faster. Why? Because that the company have a bulk of cargo, so they arrange the transportation as per that availability of the transport. Okay, but if we do not use the multimodal transport, then it may be problem, like we need to first arrange the transportation from factory to ICD or airport. Then again we need to choose another transport. Okay, so these are the different activities we need to handle, and this is the only wasting of the time. So currently the facility available of the multimodal transport by the freight forward country, they will arrange the things. Now the burden of documentations and other formalities connected with the segment transport reduced. Okay, so here you need not to arrange a document at every step, but what will happen once you need to book the container through the freight forwarder from India to China, then what happen? The freight forwarder will book your cargo through the ship. Okay, so he need to book the airway space on the ship. Okay, so by help of this airway all transport multiple transport are interconnected and arranged by the freight forwarder. So there is no need to take out other different of this list like a different of type of transport document to be used. Okay, now resultant will cost sent to the reduce through freight rate and cost cargo insurance. Okay, so cost saving will also be occur in this process because that all the integrated service will used. Okay, and volumetric vessels. Okay, so the freight forwarder will allow more than many shipment. So as per the many shipment, the cost of moving goods will be reduced. Okay, then the consignor has to deal with only one agency, the multimodal transport operator, in all matter related to movement of his goods, including settle of the claim. Okay, so here you only need to contact with a freight forwarder company or CHF companies. Okay, so they will deal on this different type of transport, and there is no uh, problem and no any kind of disturbance come to you for that, like arrange this remote to this mode, arrange the document or no, nothing. Just all entire process will handle by the one single agency. Okay, so in this not only they arrange the different of transport at that level of movement of the goods, but also they arrange if any problems occur, then they also settlement of the claim arranged. Okay, now the through rates offered by the multimodal transporter make it easier for the export to negotiate sales contract with the buyer on basis of delivery prices. Okay, so when the multimodal transporters are provided the freight, then you easily evaluate your costing at the single time. Okay, for example, you need to export the goods from India to China on the CIF base. Okay, then you need to prepare your commercial invoice in which you need to mention the freight and insurance. If you use the multimodal transport methods, then the single agent will provide you before shipment the freight charges. So you can easily add these charges in FO value. Then you prepare your commercial invoice. Okay, so these are the benefit that if you use multimodal transport, then your the sales contract will be prepared easily by helping of the receiving the rate from the transporters. So guys, these are the advantage of the transportations multimodal process. Okay, so guys, we are just going to end the session here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.